So hi friends, in many interviews they will ask about a decorator in Python, and they will tell that one example. So this is the best example, one of the best example. So we can see and we'll debug and we'll check it's working or not and how it will work. So once they will ask the decorator, okay, I will first run and we'll check. Okay, it's working. It's giving the result 510 510. Okay, I will show you how it's working and then we'll know what happened. It is saved, right? Okay, yeah, okay. So here I have defined one definition. The definition is outer, okay, outer here, and another definition is inner. Okay, I have kept the two definitions. One is outer and one is inner. And in that inner, I have called one function. The function is num. Okay, the functionality of the function is we need to add extra number or extra digit in existing code. So what I'll do, so suppose this is the existing code, and I will add here 500. Okay, yeah, I will add the 500. So how we'll do and how it's happened, that will show. So this is the outer. And what is this? This is only called the decorator. Decorator indicates with at the rate and definition name. So I have put at the rate and definition name here. So it will call here. Okay. And they will add the value. How they will add? I will run and see. So then it came here outer. Outer, the object created 430. Then it come to the inner. Inner returning again what object value 630. Okay, okay, the print num is equal to what is, again it go to the num part and they calling the num function. So it called the num function. What is returning 500. So it will go there 500. A is equal to 500. Now what will happen? Add a plus 10. 500 plus 10 is equal to 510, and then they will return the value add. So it will return the here inner part. So add 100 500 plus 10 510 and return that. So it will put in the 510. Okay, you are thinking, okay, if function already is calling, then what are the need of the this one, the outer? Okay, so okay, I will tell you, once you will remove the outer, it will not work. Suppose I commented. Okay, I call. See, it's a stop. Why it is a stop? Because we have returned the value here and we printed directly. Okay, it tried to go to up and down, but she did not find the any decorator name. That's why it's a stop. Okay, now again I will show you how it is happening. See, it's called object inner, then go to the outer, then again it will go to inner part and will add the value. Okay, okay, someone thinking like that, okay, only 500, why 500? I will put only 90. Okay, or here I will put the something different, something 98. It will work same, not an issue. So you can see how the inner, how the outer, and how the decorator function is working and what value coming where. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. And many interview they will ask, you know, the decorator. If no, please tell me the one example of the decorator. So this is the best example. Okay, thank you for watching.